Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a group order on the DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start a group order on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So let's first go on to the DoorDash app. Next, let's click on a restaurant, and then once you click on a restaurant, click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on Start a Group Order. So once you've done so, you can click on Start a Group Order and you could also set a spending limit per person. And so with that, click on Start Group Order. And then this is what you could actually go ahead and send people so that they can join your group order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a group order on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.